Hey guys, this is Charlie with MetalWorks. Going to take a quick peek at a couple of chassis packages that are packaged up and ready to ship out to our customer. One's going to be heading to Idaho and one to Utah. We've got a 56 Chevy Nomad chassis and a C1 Corvette chassis. You can see they're boxed up with some additional parts that I also purchased from the speed shop. This will be your coated and assembled roller. As with the other chassis, is a fully powered, coated and assembled chassis package. You see this one has quite a few extra parts that the customer purchased from the speed shop that will be arriving along with their chassis. This one has the forged line wheels on it, where the other one has the standard wooden rollers. The Nomad chassis has got a LS3 GM performance package in it, motor and trans, also headers by Ultimate Headers, and we also added an accessory drive kit by Holly up front. So these two will be shipping out here shortly and heading home to our customers. If you're at all interested in a chassis package for your classic car or truck, you have questions, give Ryan a call at the shop at 541-341-3372. He'd be happy to answer any questions you might have, and he can also quote you a chassis package right over the phone. Take care, guys.